Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make pets in Dress to Impress. So whether you want a fluffy friend, a fierce companion, or just a touch of extra cuteness in your feed, this hack will blow your mind. So we're showing off how you can style your way to the perfect pet vibe, no VIP needed. So by using the new adjustment feature, you can create this pet that can follow you anywhere like this. You can create dog, cat, or bunny like I do here. So let me show you how you can create this one. So first you can just go to the hat rack in here and put on this fur hat and use the adjustment feature. So here I'm going to lower it and make it all the way to the right like this, and I'm going to make the scale smaller. Okay, and now I'm going to put on the bunny ears. Again, you can use the adjustment feature like this and adjust the position and also the scale. So I'm going to make the scale like this, and lastly I'm going to put on the mustache in here, and again you can use the adjustment feature. Okay, so you're basically done, but if you want to add the eyes, you can also use earrings in here. So for example, I'm going to put on these earrings and color it black, and again by using the adjustment feature, I'm going to make it all the way to the bottom and slide like this and adjust the position and also lower the scale. Okay, now your pet is done. So this is the final look, and I hope you like this trick. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you are pet obsessed, subscribe and click on the thing for more magical style secrets. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!